Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate WooCommerce plugin, full guide step by step clearly. To activate the WooCommerce plugin, start by logging into your WordPress dashboard. On the left-hand menu, locate the Plugins section and click on it. In the Plugins page, you will see a list of all installed plugins. Scroll through the list or use the search bar to find the WooCommerce plugin. Once you locate the WooCommerce plugin, you will see an Activate link below its name. Click the Activate link to enable the plugin on your site. After activation, you will be redirected to the WooCommerce Setup Wizard. Follow the prompts in the Setup Wizard to configure the basic settings for your store. You can enter your store details, preferred currency, and payment methods during the setup. If you prefer to skip the Setup Wizard, you can close it and configure settings later. To access WooCommerce settings manually, click on WooCommerce in the left-hand menu. From there, you can customize various aspects of your online store. Remember to check your site's front end to ensure everything appears as expected. Test the functionality by adding a product and simulating a purchase. This will help ensure that the WooCommerce plugin is working correctly. If you encounter any issues, review the plugin's documentation or seek support. Once everything is set up, you're ready to start selling. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.